Hello and welcome to this session on product design and value engineering. In today's session, we'll talk about value, what is value and different types of value. So let us first discuss the definition of value, or let us discuss the value by its definition. What is value? It is the relationship between performance of a project, product or process and the cost of obtaining it. So this is by definition what value is. It is relation between the performance of a project and the cost. So value is a relation between performance and cost. And in other words, in other definition, we can say that maximizing the function of a product related to its cost is what value is. So value is maximum functionality with minimum cost. That's what a good value will be. So if we want to let's say put it in an equation, then we can say is value is performance plus capability divided by its cost. Basically value is functionality divided by the cost. So this is how value can be defined. And value is subjective. Remember this always. Value is subjective. For me, a product which is of high value might not be same amount, might not be same level of value with someone else. So for me, a product is very much valuable, but for other person, the product might be somewhat less valuable. So remember that always. Now, different types of value. What are the different types of values? There can be theoretical value, there can be economic value, there can be aesthetic value, there can be social value, there can be religious value, and there can be political value or power value. This is what our approach to value by philosophical point of view is. So let us first discuss all this approach of philosophical values, and then we will discuss what value means to us when we talk about product design. So what is theoretical value? It is the price at which a security should sell, or a price at which a product should sell. Basically, theoretical value is the cost component of a product. It depends on investor expectation and market implications. For what theoretical value is, if we talk about a product which is in high demand, so its value might increase. If we talk about a product which is in low demand, so its value might decrease. But its theoretical value does not change. So theoretical value is the value at which it should be sold. If the demand is high, it might increase. If the demand is low, it might decrease. But theoretical value is the same. It is the value at which we should sell it. It doesn't matter at which price we sold them. What is aesthetic values? Now, aesthetic values are the values of the look of a product. It has nothing to do with the functionality of the product. For example, if we talk about these coffee mugs, then aesthetic value is how the coffee mug looks. The first one to me looks the black in color, which is, it looks very classy to me, very elegant design. So for me, value of that cup is high. The other two are okay to me. So for me, value of those cups are not as high as the value of that black colored cup. So this is called aesthetic value. The value just based on its look. All this cup will perform the same function, but I am giving high value to one compared to other. That is what aesthetic value is. It depends on how it looks, how it appears to different person. Now, as I have said, value is subjective. I like the black cup, someone else might like this one. So it depends on person to person. And also the artistic values are values based on aesthetics. So those are the aesthetic values. Then there is social values. Social values are the values from the value based on the society's opinion. How society is looking at you, or how society is conceiving you is the social value. For example, if you are doing charity or if you show kindness, then your social value is increase. If you show sympathy, then also your social value might increase. Let us take an example of this company. This company that manufactures this toothbrush. What they are saying is that whenever someone buys a toothbrush, they will give one free to someone who needs. And this is what they are doing. They are making a social change. So that is a social value. Then there will be religious value. Now religious values depends on your religion or on your ethnicity. For example, if you are Christian, this locket might have some value to you. If you are Sikh, then this locket will be valuable. If you are Muslim, this locket will be more valuable. And if you are Hindu, the last one with the Om will be more valuable to you. In reality, the value of all lockets are same. If we talk about purely based on the price of gold, they all are same. There is nothing indifferent between them. All will cost same. But which is more valuable to you depends on which religion you follow. So this is what religious value is. And then now let us talk about value in terms of economics. So it is known as economic values. This is where we focus when we discuss product design or we discuss product development, because we want to focus on economic values more rather than some other kind of values. So what economic values have? The economic values are the objective values. So we can easily quantify them, and they are less subjective to person's opinion. That's why we are considering it. And this value can be compared to cost. This value can be compared to money. There are four kinds of economic value: use value, esteem value, exchange value, and cost value. Now let us discuss one by one them. Use value is the value that you are willing to spend for the function only. So if you talk about pen, then there is pen there which can be obtained by 2 rupees only, and it can write. So pen's use value is 2 rupees only, because you can achieve the function with the help of 2 rupees only, and that is the function you expect from the pen, and that is the use value of the pen. But esteem value are something more than use value. It is extra you are willing to pay than just the functions. So let us take our example of pen and continue with it. All the pen have same use value, but all the pens price are not same. Why? Because some of them has esteem value. Why esteem value is there? Because aesthetics will be there. All the aesthetics are different, and some might like this type of pen, so they will use this pen, and it is also it looks very what we can say elegant and classy. So person who is holding this pen feels pride in it. If you have manufactured a pen out of gold, then whoever buys the pen does not just buy to sign the documents with the pen, or does not buy the pen to write the exam. They buy the pen to show off. So that is the pride associated with that value. Then some of them might have historical values. For example, the sword of Tipu Sultan that was auctioned some years back. It has nothing useful there. So use was zero, because no one will be using that sword. Till someone paid crores of rupees for that sword. Why? Because it had historical values. and it had emotional attachments as well. So that is what esteem value is. It is above the use value. Use value is the value of the functions, which is a basic function, which is a basic price. Then esteem value is anything above the function, anything extra you are willing to pay other than its functionality. Then there is exchange value. Exchange value is the actual price at which the exchange happens. So if you are purchasing a product at 5 rupees, then 5 rupees is exchange value. Now remember that if you are purchasing a pen which is made of entire gold, suppose you are purchasing a pen which is made of entire gold. Now let us consider what is use value. Its use value is 2 rupees only, because any pen can write with the 2 rupee refill. Okay, so use value is 2 rupee. What is esteem value? Esteem value is price you are willing to pay. You might be willing to pay 10 lakh rupees for that pen. So that is the esteem value. That pen gives you pride of 10 lakhs rupees. And what is the exchange value? Exchange value is the seller asking you to pay for it. Suppose seller says that its price is 6 lakhs. Although you are willing to pay 10 lakhs, the price of the pen is 6 lakhs. So transaction will happen at 6 lakhs rupees only. And that is what exchange value is. It is the value where the transaction happens. And it is use value plus esteem value. Normally that's what exchange value will be, use value plus esteem value. Sometimes esteem value may be higher, sometimes it will be lower. Now what is cost value? Cost value is the value of manufacturing cost. Sometimes it is also known as cost. It is the value of cost incurred to the manufacturer itself. And cost and exchange value will give you the profit. So your exchange value is 5 rupees, the cost was 4 rupees. That means manufacturing cost was 4 rupees. The seller sold that pen with 5 rupees and his profit was 1 rupees. That's what the cost value is. This is very basic classifications of values. I hope you understood it. Thank you.